How do you register an account? It doesn't matter what Perfect Money page you're on. Click on Registration at the top of the screen. Select an account name that will represent your account in case you decide to make it public. You should use your real personal information to complete the verification process without delays. If you are planning to do business on behalf of a company, choose a business account. For personal use, choose Personal. After the registration is complete, expect an email with your new ID. Use it along with your password to enter your account. That's the way money becomes perfect. Perfect money. Just perfect.